Fall is almost here, and so is pumpkin spice. Here is my final project. I was inspired by a piece that I saw on Instagram, and I will insert a picture of it right here. And so I decided to make my very own version. As you can see, the Instagram post is only half a pumpkin that is mounted on the wall, and it's a little bit bigger than this one. I decided I'd like to make mine freestanding so I could move it around my kitchen during fall season. I'm probably going to try to put it by my coffee bar. So this was a very easy piece to do. You can make it completely with Dollar Tree products. Dollar Tree has carvable pumpkins. However, none of my stores had them in yet. So I went ahead and used a pumpkin from a Walmart that I had. Now, if you buy an already orange pumpkin, of course you don't have to paint any of the orange. But since mine was a weird color, I went ahead and painted the whole thing. Also, the handle, I used a foam roller that has a wire in it from the Dollar Tree. And I said in my Wagon DIY, if you saw that, never, ever, ever paint like a pool noodle or foam, because once it dries, it will stay. But if you pick it up and handle it, it will flake off. I don't know if you could prime it and it wouldn't flake off, but I painted this one, and if you hold that handle and you mess with it, the paint will flake off. However, if you're just going to let it sit, like I'm going to let mine sit, and even if I move it, I'm going to pick up the pumpkin, it is fine. The rest of it, as you saw, is very easy to do. I did not have a orange and white striped straw, so I did use a little white vinyl and just taped off my straw. You could do that with any kind of washi tape or whatever if you have an orange straw, or with orange washi tape if you have a white straw, if you can't find an orange and white striped straw. And the actual cinnamon sticks are real cinnamon sticks that I did purchase at Dollar Tree. I had a chunkier glitter that I already had in my stash, but Dollar Tree does also sell a glitter, or in, as you saw in the inspiration piece, they used just some gold string to make it look like caramel was swirled on top. I thought sprinkles would be a better choice. So that is it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a member here at Lacee Space, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves. Oh, and also, I used my Cricut Explorer Air 2 to do the lettering, and I put it all on by hand. I didn't think I wanted to use transfer paper since it was a painted pumpkin. That took a little while.